Overview. Pattaya is a coastal city located about 130 kilometers from Bangkok. Originally a quiet fishing town, it has grown rapidly in recent decades to become one of the world's most famous tourist destinations. While it is true that Pattaya offers many reasons to enjoy a pleasant and affordable vacation such as beaches, nightlife, coffee shops, and international food, the majority of visitors are attracted by the rampant offering of paid sex. Girls and boys from all regions of Thailand move to Pattaya to earn more money or to find a foreign boyfriend/husband. The city is practically plastered with go-go bars where you can have a drink in the company of dancers and massage centers. Tour with map. To orient yourself in Pattaya, it's important to know the main areas: Ngau Klua in the north, the entire central area of Pattaya with the Long Beach Road, Second Road, Third Road, and the unmissable Soi Buaco, the small area of Phra Tam Nak, and the quieter Jomtien. All these areas, which constitute the seaside part of the city, are delimited to the east by the main Sukhumvit Road. The tour attractions will be concentrated only in these areas, with the attractions further away listed separately. In order, we will see Lon Pho Ngau Klua Market, the Sanctuary of Truth, Terminal 21, Arden Paradise, Beach Road, Walking Street, Koh Larn, Phra Tam Nak Viewpoint, Big Buddha Temple, Jomtien Beach. Please note that with Grab, currently a motorcycle ride between the two furthest attractions costs only 120 baht, and by car, less than 200 baht. If possible, I will always suggest a Songkla, but for each route, you can always opt for a Grab driver, especially because of the heat. Lon Pho Ngau Klua Market. To start, note that Songkhlas travel along the long main roads without deviation. For example, taking one at any point on Second Road, it will take you to the end of the same road, in this case, Dolphin Circle. If the Songkhla you took does not continue to Ngau Klua Road, you just need to get off and wait for another one at the beginning of the road. The market is located on the left after about 3 kilometers from Dolphin Circle. Lon Pho Ngau Klua Market is the best fish market in the city where many restaurants stock up. Always very crowded, you can buy fresh delicacies at a low price. The Sanctuary of Truth. The structure is located 1 kilometer from the main road, so if Songkhlas don't go there, you'd better call a Grab to get there in a few minutes. You can access this completely wooden structure inlaid by paying a ticket costing 500 baht. You will find scaffolding because the site has been under construction for decades, and for this reason, you will be given a helmet for safety reasons. Terminal 21. If you want to save some cents, walk to Ngau Klua Road and wait for a Songkhla to get to the previously seen Dolphin Circle. With its characteristic airplane, this is a modern shopping center where some famous attractions have been reproduced, such as San Francisco Bay. Arden Paradise. Head on foot to Second Road and after about 200 meters turn left onto Pattaya 1 Alley. This interactive museum is known for its three-dimensional artworks that create optical illusions. You will spend a couple of hours interacting with the artworks and taking funny and creative photos. The entrance ticket is 400 baht, but currently, by purchasing online, you will pay less. Beach Road. Return to Second Road and turn left. On the other side of the road, after a few meters, take Pattaya Alley 1. At this point, you will be in the first part of the 3 kilometers of Beach Road, which is the quietest. The road starts to liven up from Pattaya Soi 6, an entire street of go-go bars. A few meters away, it is worth visiting Central Festival where you will also find a play area and a cinema on the top floor. If you are looking for fun, I highly recommend visiting the lively Soi Buaco, which runs parallel from Central Road but can be reached from Second Road at numerous points. Walking Street. At the end of Beach Road begins this pedestrian area, from 6 p.m., known for its intense nightlife and wide range of clubs, bars, restaurants, and entertainment. Even in the famous clubs like Lucifer Disco and Insomnia, there will be many girls available to make friends. Koh Larn, at the end of Walking Street, is the Bali High Pier from which you can take the ferry to this small island. At the cost of only 30 baht, in about 40 minutes, you will be there. Here you can rent a motorcycle and spend half a day relaxing on one of the island's beautiful beaches. For Tam Nak Viewpoint, Big Buddha Temple, these two attractions are very close to each other, and you will get there with a few baht by calling the usual Grab. From the first area, you can admire a breathtaking panorama of the city. To admire the 18-meter-high Big Buddha, you will first have to climb 108 steps bordered by 14 very long dragons. Jomtien Beach. The cheapest way to reach this area is the usual Songpha, whose terminus is very close to the entrance of Walking Street. This is a very popular route, and a vehicle will leave as soon as it is full. In just over 10 minutes, you will reach the long Jomtien Sanyang Road and you can book your stop where you want. This area is much quieter with wide public and private beaches. In the evening, you could visit the night market right in front of the very visible and luxurious Copacabana Beach Jomtien condominium. As promised, I suggest attractions far from the beach area. Near Sukhumvit, you can visit the Mini Siam Amusement Park, Underwater World Pattaya Aquarium, Tiger Park, and the cute floating market. You could visit the Ramayana Water Park, the second largest water park in all of Asia, and the immense Nong Nuch Botanical Garden on the same day. Finally, even if you are not a fan of the genre, I recommend spending an evening going to see a transgender artist show that will leave you breathless at Tiffany Show, Alcazar Cabaret Show, or Coliseum Show. Ending notes. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it informative or entertaining. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave a message down below. And if you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more similar content in the future. Thanks again for your support and for being part of this experience. See you soon.